put them in the trunk, yeah. This is fun. Oh, you guys got sprayed. They did. Yeah, did you feel it when I pushed you?
What?
Did you feel it when I pushed you?
I thought right when you were about to push that, I tried kicking it out so you didn't hear it.
Oh.
You like this and fall.
Oh, good. I thought I pushed you pretty hard there. I was like, oh shit, I hope he didn't push you into the cars.